Hey guys, Jason here from MBA, and I just want to do a quick video today, talk a little bit about School of Sparta, and actually show you what happened last night. So last night we did our usual TA Wednesday market review. We found 5 great trades that all played out amazingly, and I'm going to give you show you those clips over the next couple of minutes or so. But I just want to talk about what School of Sparta is really about. So School of Sparta, we designed it as a community of traders that purely want to find other great traders to trade with, but at the same time, us giving you the opportunity to continuously learn. So School of Sparta is not built as a signal service. We don't give out signals just to give you the answers. We want to explain how trades are set up. We want to show you, what we're seeing in the market, and then show you potential of what can potentially play out in order for you to potentially make some money. So the idea of School of Sparta is not about giving out signals. It's about a community, okay? So it's a community of traders with all the same goal, all trying to make money. And there's some amazing traders in there. We've got, people that have been there for almost a year now. And I've seen their confidence level, their trade skills just go from here and really bump up to the next level. So if you're looking for a community of traders or people that, you're trying to bounce feedback off, if you've done our course or doing our course, then I highly recommend that you jump into School of Sparta and just get amongst the right people. Get amongst the people that are looking for daily trading opportunities to find, what can potentially happen in the market. So over the next couple of minutes, I'm going to show you what happened last night. We had 5 amazing trades play out. I think almost 200% in potential gains, depending where you entered, where you exited. But a lot of traders that stayed on after the call in Discord, they were making money. And shout out again to our grasshopper Chris, who's only 16 years old, killing the game. So he did amazing last night. And again, to everyone else that was on the call, and for the guys that actually did the trades straight after the call, great work to you guys for staying up. I know it's late, and sometimes you got to put in a little bit of extra work to get the results. But anyway, here we go. Here is last night's results. It's better to be safe than sorry. And if you're just trying to force a trade by jumping down to the smaller time frames, hoping that something's going to work out when price is really just consolidating and a lot of indecision, a lot of wicks in the market, you don't want to be forcing the trades. Okay. So earlier today, looking here, so we had, obviously we've got strong resistance here. We've had the market continue down for some time and looking like it's starting to break out. So after this consolidation, we had that higher low form. Okay, higher low form, hit a level of resistance, higher low again, hammer, and then price started to break out. So that's when I put up that message that buyer momentum's coming in. So you may or may not have already jumped into the trade if you jumped in too early, or if you're in the trade currently now. Price pushed up, created a higher high, run that on the hourly, so it's broken previous structure, so showing buyer momentum. So same thing on Ethereum, kind of doing the same thing as Bitcoin, right? So we can see here strong levels of support, strong levels of resistance, and then we can see on the hourly that we're starting to get that ascending triangle, okay? So market was consolidating, then we created a higher low. This here may have been your fibs opportunity because there was a short-term breakout of this here. So massive move, impulse move, where's the retracement? Price pull back, retracement, taking profit now. So this is me when I'm looking at taking profit at previous structure. And if I'm not confident about what's going to happen here, I take profit, then I'll just wait for the break and the retest and then look to go again. Okay, some people, and depending on what's happening in the market, because every coin is going to act differently and every time period is going to be different. But if I wasn't taking profit here at previous structure, I'm setting an alert on this line here and just waiting and to see if that respects the trend. And same thing as Bitcoin. Holding the trade for as long as possible, adjusting to my take profit here, until we create new market structure on the way out. Okay. Oh. But at the moment on, I've been using the line chart. I've been really liking it. Been using it just to double check. It removes a lot of the noise. Gives you the idea of where the volume of the candle was held, or during that time period where price was really held, and where market closed and where the market opened. So I like using the line chart just to confirm, because sometimes you'll find with your trend lines, it may be that it's all over the place, or you're trying to connect a wick to a body, or a body to a wick, or a wick to a wick, and then it just seems a little bit off. But I find that if I use my line chart and then I go and adjust it if I need to, and just seeing if price is respecting in those areas, then cool, I just, usually I'm leaving it. So currently at the moment on Ethereum, I would like to see a break from here. So if I'm looking for a buying opportunity here, I'm at 215.55. So this is good momentum. That there is a strong resistance zone. So your supply zone just really, everyone that's hitting this level seems to be dumping the coin. So if we get one more pull off here, get to that higher low, and then we're looking to get that breakout to the upside here. Because while the momentum has started here, you can see here we had almost like a symmetrical triangle form, higher low, lower high, had a lower high. Well, actually, not so much a symmetrical triangle, more of a flag, actually. Just a pause in the market here. Yeah, so yeah, I'm looking for this here. Now, as a buy stop, 9650. So here, now the fact that we've created a lower low here, okay, you see that we've kind of like broken out from here. So it was respecting this for a little bit, and then if this trend was strong, it would have maintained this trend, and then broke to the upside here, but clearly just fell down. So I just draw that into the future, get rid of this because it's no longer valid. And yeah, the next time I'm looking to buy into here is probably down here in this area. Even we break out a trend, if that momentum is holding, yeah, if that momentum is holding, then I'm looking to buy in this area. Am I looking to short from here? A break and a retest, yes. On the overall time frame from the most recent swing at the lower high to the lowest low, and now, yes, it's been a stagger. I mean, this was your initial move here of 61 to take a short, but price is still bumping up against that level. So if price is, if buyers are starting to become exhausted and they can't keep following this channel up, because I mean, after this kind of move, there's been no real correction yet. So I'm still holding on that we may see that drop here. So I have a a sell stop order here pending, because it's quite a strong support zone here. And yeah, I'm just waiting. I'm anticipating that break for price to continue down. I'm not looking to buy this back up. I mean, if the momentum of Ripple is starting to head up, cool. Let it. Me personally, I am letting it go and waiting for waiting it go for the retracement, because this is quite a steady move. Not a lot of volume from the buyers compared to here. If you compare what sellers have done, just drop price drastically. And when you start to see these movements, this is a strong trend, push, strong trend. This is not a strong buyer trend. It's not strong. The buyers aren't convinced here that it's going to keep going up and up and up and up. And it could very well continue up from here. But the difference from trends here is everyone's like, yep, sharp buy trend up, but yeah, we're looking to short it. We're hammering it down. This is not a strong buyer momentum trend. Okay, so that's why I'm looking for shorts more so than I'm looking to buy, because the move that this short-term buyer momentum here, I believe that it may continue up one more time, but I'm still looking for that next shorting opportunity.